Let's set it up. Haze to the outside. Haze to the outside. Okay, so make our cockpit the way Brooks taught me to. Okay, make our cockpit. Okay, so if I remember how to do all this, that way, check our watch, clip in. Okay, this way, check our watch, clip in. Okay, now, yep, trims are outside, trims are set even. Let's see, go down, the gates are locked. Trims are set even. Go down to the brakes, hit my brakes. The brakes are clear through the pulley. Come underneath, A's with the thumb, A's with the thumb. I am set up. Okay, center myself, center, 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 center. Okay, there's my center. Step back. Okay, I'm awful close to the taxiway, but you know what? I'm okay with it. So all I'm gonna do, focus on the horizon, arms out, just holding onto the A's, wait for the wind gust. Ooh, wind, run. Okay, look up, not up. Okay, brakes up, A's up. Okay, no, side, don't look up, side, look to the side. Look to the side, I feel it going this way. We're gonna go this way with it. Okay, running, 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 running. Oh, let's go this way. Let's go into my left. Okay, and slow down. Brakes, 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 turn. And it's on the runway again.